Munishwar Dutt Upadhyay, the 3rd of August 1898 to the 26th of June 1983, was an Indian politician, statesman, and leader in the Indian independence movement. He was a member of parliament from Pratapgarh, Uttar Pradesh, belonging to the Indian National Congress. Early life. He was born the 3rd of August 1898 in Lakshmanpur village, Lalganj Tehsil of Pratapgarh district, Uttar Pradesh, to Gazadar Prasad Upadhyay. He was an exceptionally bright student and learner. He matriculated from Somvanshi Higher Secondary School, PB into college, Pratapgarh, and did his post-graduation at Kayasthar Pathshala, Allahabad, and law education from Allahabad University. Soon he started working with the mayor's office in Allahabad. He married Annapurna Upadhyay in 1933. Political life. He was a member of the Constituent Assembly of India and was the only person from Pratapgarh who signed the draft of the Indian Constitution. Post-independence, he became the first candidate from Pratapgarh to become a member of parliament twice. Once in 1951 in the first Lok Sabha elections, then again in 1957 in the second Lok Sabha elections. After sweeping wins in the first two elections from the Pratapgarh constituency, he was defeated in the third Lok Sabha election by Jan Sangh candidate Ajit Pratap Singh. He was Secretary of the Congress Parliamentary Board and Chairman of the Railway Reforms Committee. He also held the position of Revenue Minister in Uttar Pradesh Cabinet during C.B. Gupta's Chief Ministry for a short period between 1969 and 1970. Literary works. Kisan Sangathan, Zamindari Pratha. Death. He died on the 26th of June 1983 in Pratapgarh and was survived by a son and two daughters. Books and memoirs. Ekaya Kalji. Belakial by Dr. Dayaram Ratna Maurya. Munishwar Dutt Upadhyay's profile on Lok Sabha. Ex-UPCC presidents. List of MPs of first Lok Sabha elections in India. List of MPs of second Lok Sabha elections in India. 5. Further reading. Angela S. Berger. Opposition in a Dominant Party System. A study of the Jan Sangh, the Praja Socialist Party and the Socialist Party in Uttar Pradesh, India. University of California Press. 1969. ISBN 052-001-4286. Satna Sharma. States Politics in India Mittal Publications. 1995. ISBN 8,170,996,198. 9,788,170,996,194.